Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Qogita Honest Review. Amazon Wholesale Explain. Qogita is a wholesale platform focused on health and beauty brands, helping Amazon FBA and other sellers source inventory efficiently. It simplifies supplier discovery, order placement, and documentation management for bulk branded products. Operating across parts of Europe, Qogita offers buy now, pay later for B2B catalogs, invoice support, and assistance with restricted brand permissions. Its pros include a wide product selection, competitive pricing, low entry costs, helpful documentation, positive feedback on ordering and support, and reliable deliveries. Cons include Amazon sometimes rejecting Qogita invoices for restricted brands, inconsistent product authenticity, delayed support, and risk with Amazon policy compliance. In short, Qogita isn't a scam. It provides real products and useful features, valuable for small to medium sellers in health and beauty, but caution is needed due to Amazon compliance risks. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.